All right, guys. I just want to make a quick video about drug. There's this is probably one of the biggest pumps I've seen since Hollow, and this is super rare. And if you look at the profile, there's no doubt it's a biotech that did this. Those are the ones that will pump the biggest. That and Chinese stock. So if you ever see something like this, you're probably like, okay, that's a biotech. And if you look at this daily chart, like look how overextended this is. Like, I mean, I had to zoom in just to get into this current data here after this. But if you look at drug, we went from 94 cents to this low here. And this candle right here would have been, this is really good gains. I didn't expect, who would expect this next 1,400% move, and then after hours it went even higher, but then it started going down. But if you look at my chart, basically what you're seeing is this red band here. This is extremely rare. You'll ever see it just this far above it. So you can, there's no doubt this is going to go down. I think we all know that. But if you don't know that and you're probably buying this, I think that is absolutely nuts if you actually wanted to buy this and swing trade it. You can day trade it, maybe, as you can look at the 1 minute chart or the 5 minute. As you can see, I was looking at, like, is this thing actually shortable, short available? Because you could actually make massive money on this to the downside, but, I would love to just rather do puts. But as you can see, as you hit this 1 minute chart here on the upper band with time distance of not hitting the EMA 20, you have a conservative target of hitting that. This was a 23% move down. And then you do the same thing. As you can see, all these EMAs will get filled on a shorter time frame, and that's what I'm going to discuss with you on the daily. So and I do this in the day trading community. As you can see, we haven't hit this EMA 20 in around 30 minutes, and then if we get close to the lower ATR4, you can see these massive gains that you can do. This was another 26% move right in there. But like I said, I don't think this thing is shortable. I didn't even check. I mean, I wouldn't think so. But as you can see all throughout here. So yeah, this is the daily chart right in here. This thing has had one of the biggest moves ever. So if you're actually really looking to buy, you would have to have day trade with a very strict stop loss. If anybody that is holding this overnight, I think it's kind of crazy. The potential move this can go up is just very slim, and then the potential move it can go down is drastically higher. So you probably have better odds at the casino than this stock right here if you're buying. But yeah, it went up 1,400%. It's very nice. 90 cents to a high of $38 on the market close. Where this is going to go back to is going to be your EMA 5, which is way down at $13. Obviously, the next day is going to go up. Your EMA 10 is sitting at $8, and your EMA 20 is at $4. So this has a big chunk of move. It can go down. So you can look from here to here, just to the upper ATR4. That's a $19 move down. That's a 50% loss there. So yes, we are definitely going to test this. But I will say though, since we just are leaving this EMA 5, we're just now on it. It takes a couple candles to get back to that reversion to the mean. But in time, I definitely can see this just plummet down instantly too. But yeah, that's just, I just want to make a quick video on it because it's probably one of the most talked about hype stocks, and this has made history. You don't see a stock do this like pretty much ever, unless there's something big going. So 1,400%, that's insane. So also guys, if you guys do want to see this system in real time and have your chart and be a part of a community where I hope he's watching, but this guy right here, Jordan Belfort, he actually called that out into the community day trade, so all credit goes to him. It was absolutely awesome, as you can see right in here. A lot of people call out some day trades and literally point on to a T, like, you cannot get any better than this. But obviously nobody's going to take the whole gain from here. I think if you ever try to be like, oh, I'm going to hold a stock to 1,000%, I mean, the chances of that happening is probably like never. I always say people, if you're up 10%, you take some off the table and you trail and stop all the way up. And if you did a trail stop, yes, you would have had this big move up and you would have definitely been making bank. And that's really the only way to do it. Anybody that says I can catch the very bottom and top is just lying. But yeah, this is Drug. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, hit the link down below in the YouTube comments below. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll be pinned, and it'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to be a member, all you have to do is hit day trade alerts right in here, and it'll give you access to everything. My swing trades, day trades, education, live streams, journal, and all that, and then futures. But day trades is obviously my favorite because you can make the most gains within the quickest amount of time. If you hit server shop up here, you can see the two memberships I offer, or the swing and day and swing trading plus. The day and swing trading plus is the cheapest, and you also, or I mean, day swing trading plus is the best because you get both types of services. And if you want to be a full-time trader, day trading you do have to master. And then what I like to say is put your day trades and put that money into swing trading, and all those profits, and then you can see how fast your account can compound. And if you read the testimonies here, you can see a lot of people have been making massive money here. Like this guy right here, Leokim, made 35% of his total portfolio in a few weeks. One of my favorites is this guy right here, where he started off with $330 and he ended the month with a $800 gain, $800 with a small account. That's awesome. But if you hit server shop, subscribe for the day and swing trading plus right here. It's $12 a month, and you'll access everything on my subscriptions. And it is cheaper if you do it on your computer than on your phone, because you would be charged an iOS fee. But yeah, that's my analysis for Drug. If you guys see it, it had this massive move. The price prediction where this is going to pull back, I hope nobody's buying way up in here. I think that's crazy, because we all know this is going to go down. If you're a beginner trader, you might get into this hype and this hopium and be like, this can keep going. This is not normal. We've seen this happen many times before. We got this big pump. We are way above this upper band here, which is extremely overextended. Oftentimes you don't see this often, and then we get this move back down. We'll go back down to the EMA 5, 10, and 20, which is way down in these areas. Will it do it in a blink of a daily candle? It can do that whenever it wants. But that's where when you're way above these targets here, you got to understand reversion to the mean will happen. All right, so hope you guys like this video. Give a like, subscribe, comment, and as always, guys, I'll be in the Discord, and we'll be doing lots more plays just like this. And I'll be looking for, I'm in a couple plays of my own. One of the stocks I'm in made a 60% move today, so I'm happy with that. And this stuff happens. Always take the gains, trail and stop, and you'll be good to go. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys. Happy trading.